What's up everybody, my name is Reggie Cox, detailer from Labocosmetica, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about NèVE. NèVE, Labocosmetica's snow foam, literally translated from Latin to snow. This product, pH neutral, VDAA certified, is completely safe for every single surface and has the power of an alkaline one. How do we achieve this? We achieve this through the use of special surfactants that loosen up the dirt from the surface, making easy rinse and get some extremely powerful cleaning going on. The dilutions you want to use are 1 to 25 and 1 to 50, and the bonus is that inside this product there are sequestering agents that are breaking down the calcium and magnesium particles, making sure that no lime scale will dry into the surface while rinsing. Many of you know that one of my life's mottos is there's no such thing as too much foam. Now of course, you can dump this car full of foam as much as you want, but the challenge is to get a homogeneous application of the slightest blanket of foam to loosen up the dirt and get maximum adherence to the surface so you'll have ease of rinsing. This of course works fantastic with gravity. The foam is dragging its way down, taking any loose dirt with it, so we got like a double action. Now it's time to rinse off. To summarize, NèVE, pH neutral, VDAA certified snow foam for day-to-day use with extreme power like an alkaline one because of the surfactants inside. Even safe in sunlight, from dilutions up to 1 to 25 to 1 to 50 in the foam gun. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Reggie Cox. See you next time.